Oh shoot, that was loud.
Shit.
I accidentally slammed the door. Alright, here we go.
Thunderstorm warning for southeastern Hunterdon County, north central Mercer County, south central Morris County, Somerset County, northwestern Middlesex County until 6:15 p.m. At 5:10 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm. The storm was near Hopewell, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing 1-inch diameter hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Skillman around 5:20 p.m., Clover Hill and South Brunswick around 5:30 p.m., Delmead and Kendall Park around 5:35 p.m., Flagtown around 5:40 p.m., Millstone around 5:45 p.m.
Whoa!
Station around 5:50 p.m. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in this path, moving towards Worcester Building, stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, report severe weather to local law enforcement or to the National Weather Service. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this severe thunderstorm. When thunder roars, move indoors. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Middlesex, Morris, and Somerset.
Alright, it's too staticky, but I'll show you all the message over here.
Southeast New York. A flash flood warning remains in effect until 5:45 p.m. for northwestern Ocean, western Monmouth, and eastern Middlesex
There it is.
counties. At 2:45 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar showed additional thunderstorms with heavy rain moving into the warned area, producing flash flooding. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to South Amboy,
There it is.
Prince Amboy, Matawan, Edison, East Brunswick,
Okay,
Columbia, and
that's it.
Concord